Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. True hair health starts in the kitchen. Today, I am sharing a simple village lunch that helps stop hair fall. To make it, crush ginger and garlic. The star ingredient of this lunch is sprouted green gram. Sprouting multiplies its nutritional value, making it a powerhouse of protein and zinc, two essential nutrients clinically proven to strengthen hair roots and reduce shedding. We pair this with curd raita, which is rich in probiotics. This improves gut health, ensuring your body actually absorbs the vitamins needed for hair growth. Heat oil in a pan and add cinnamon and cloves. Saute chopped onions, the ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, and a ripe tomato. Add turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Now add the sprouted green gram, water, and salt and simmer until tender. Serve this with a quick raita made by mixing chopped onions, fresh curd, and salt. Finally, mix in cooked rice and a dollop of ghee. Here I have used white rice. Instead, you can add hand pounded rice or brown rice to increase the nutritional value. Try to eat this protein rich meal 2 to 3 times a week. It's a delicious way to feed your hair from within for stronger, thicker growth.